Hey everybody, this is Brett, and today we're going to learn some facial massage on a client that's buried in the sand. And so this is Dillon and Logan. My mom is from Logan, Utah.
There you go.
Okay, so we're going to learn how to massage the sinuses and the forehead, and we're going to learn a little bit about acupoints that are on the forehead. And we might massage jaw muscles, definitely, because people clench a lot. And so what you want to do, Dillon, is take just a little bit of oil.
Like rub it in?
Yeah.
My hands?
A little bit of oil. And massage. Put it all over his face. Let's get the sand off of there.
Is it sandy?
A little bit, it's not unbearable.
Just get it spread nice and evenly all over his face. You'll need more oil on his beard area because the hair soaks up the oil.
We gotta shave you real quick, man. Hope you don't mind.
No worries.
No! It's my hand in sand.
Oh, that's alright. We got the...
I'm not very good at this. Thank you.
First time for everything.
Oh, lordy. Alright, here we go. Get some more oil for you, my boy.
Now, you want just the right amount. Yeah, that feels pretty good. You don't want too much because then it'll slip sliding away, you know?
Yeah.
Just the right amount. And... yeah, that's pretty good. Okay. So now, allow me to demo for you, and we'll switch places, and you sit here and I'll sit there.
Alright. Give you a little demo.
And when you sit here, sit a little bit on an angle because we'll get some more sun on there. So, these a little closer. These points right here are acupoints on the forehead. There's a lot of them. And you can take your fingers and just rotate. And you can see I'm putting a decent amount of pressure. You can also go all the way back on the forehead.
It's pretty big forehead.
And you can move in and out with the camera and get like different shots, you know.
YouTuber Dillon.
And I'm just flowing with one stroke right into the next. That's how you do good massage. It needs to flow. And so I'm working into the temple areas. This is the temporalis muscle here. Easy to remember because it's almost the same word.
Just the temple.
It's good to squeeze. It's good to scratch. Exfoliate the skin. Okay. And this is kind of a rotating eyebrow massage. Really relaxing. Okay, so you think you can do that, Dillon?
Oh yeah, of course.
Okay, let's do that first.
If you like this video, please like and subscribe and hit the bell notification too. Thanks for watching.
Man. You ready?
I'm ready. That felt really good, I'm not gonna lie.
Alright.
Start at the bottom.
Oh, right here?
Yeah, there you go.
Just work my way back.
Now, does that feel the same, or does it feel lighter, or?
It's actually pretty much the same pressure.
Okay, good.
Maybe a little bit harder.
Okay.
Like that?
Yeah.
Oh.
Smart.
You're a natural, man. You're a natural.
I should be a masseuse.
Maybe you should go to massage school.
Is that what you did?
Yep. It's been 25 years.
There you go.
Wait, no, it's not been 25. It's been It's 2003. How many years is that?
19.
17, 18, 19. See, that's why I'm a massage therapist and not a mathematician.
I'm not good at math either.
Same boat.
Another thing you can do with hair that feels good is you can pull like that.
That feel good?
Yeah.
Yeah, it really does. You
Oh.
just grab a bunch and like that.
Squeeze it
Yeah.
like that?
Yeah.
Uh-huh.
Oh.
Movement
wild.
is such an important thing. Creating movement, and that's why yoga is so big, you know.
Mm-hmm.
It's releasing all of these, what in acupressure and acupuncture they call meridians. And there are, I believe, 14 meridians in your body in Chinese medicine. A little harder on that one.
Like that?
And a little bit farther down, like that. There you go.
And you pinch it up?
Yeah.
Like that?
Yeah. And
Huh.
circular. Okay, so watch.
So I'm like this.
Watch.
Oh, move my thumb in a circle.
Yeah. I'm creating action.
I see.
You can use thumbs, but I would use fingers
Just
over.
finger?
Yeah, fingers over.
Just like that.
Uh-huh. So now, let's work on the sinuses area. And what you're gonna do is, I'll just give you a quick thing. You're gonna go like this. With 2 thumbs.
Okay.
You're gonna go like this. Okay? So open your hands. Open
Okay.
open your hands. And look, it should look like this. And spread these open.
Like that?
There you go, like you're doing a Vulcan mind meld. Start all the way to the top of the bridge of the nose, up all the way up.
Oh, all the way up here.
All the way up. Bend your thumbs more.
Right here?
No. And
This
go
way?
like this. There.
Oh, I'm gonna go across this
There.
way?
Now strip it down. There you go. Nice.
You falling asleep?
Nah. It feels good though.
Perfect. Perfect. Okay. Now let's do some ears. So I'm going to show you that. So just be careful not to get any sand on the main camera. Did I just dump sand? Oh, I did. Sorry about that.
Okay. No worries. Thank you.
If you like this video, please like and subscribe and hit the bell notification too. Thanks for watching.
Okay. So ears are really important. And when you go to an acupuncturist, oftentimes they'll just put needles in your ears. But really, you can massage your own ears every day, as much as you want.
For sure.
And you can have somebody else massage them, but it's easy to massage your own ears. And you feel for like, okay, so feel how that is not near as tight and hard as that.
Yeah.
That right there is way too tense.
Mm-hmm.
And mine do not feel like that. Mine used to feel like that years ago.
Mm-hmm.
But now that I've massaged them for 19 years, my ears are all nice and soft. This ridge represents your spine in auricular acupressure and puncture. And so when you're massaging this ridge that's so tight with you, you're helping to stimulate the release of the musculature around your spine. And you want to focus on those areas that are the tightest. In here, it's reflexing to your organs. And once again, this is called auricular acupressure. Auricular is having to do with the ears, and acupressure versus acupuncture, which would be needles. Now, if I lean down, I can get my thumbs up there. But it's probably better to use those like that. Okay.
For the most wonderful millet hole pillows, massage tools, and more, please go to brettsnaturalhealth.com. Links in description box below.
Dang, they are hard, bro.
I know up top. It's crazy because as soon as he did it first, I felt like I never even realized how much of a difference it was.
Yeah. See how my camera has a hairdo?
Is
Yeah.
that like a mic? Like a mic?
Yeah, if I didn't have that on there, the wind would just beat this up. Even small amounts of wind, man, it's horrible. I actually glued,
Oh, my bad, my bad.
I glued that on there.
What you do right here?
Like went up more.
Right here?
Yeah, and then like, yeah.
Okay. Shove my fingers inside your ear hole.
Your finger made out with my eardrum.
Okay, good. Now let's work on jaw muscles, and I'm gonna let you just wing it.
Perfect.
I'm gonna let you wing it because I think you can do this, Dylan.
I think you can too, though.
Thank you.
I have confidence in you, brother. Okay, so feel for jaw muscles here. Feel for those with like, yeah, 3 fingers, 2, 3 fingers. And feel for where they're tight and maybe knotted. Let me see. Oh, okay. So you gotta dig deep to feel that. Can you feel that right there? Yeah, right in there. You feel that masseter muscle, as in mastication muscle. Dig with that one at the same time and get right, no, down here.
Oh, down here?
Right there, yeah. See that? Oh, that's his chewing muscle. That's one of the chewing muscles. Gotta massage those. Yeah.
If you like this video, please like and subscribe and hit the bell notification too. Thanks for watching.
Sweet, sweet. Now, if his neck were more exposed, we could work on that, but I think that's a really good lesson, don't you?
I do.
You really
Thank
learned
you.
some things?
Yeah, I appreciate that.
Nice,
It's really
and
cool.
just feeling, so just feeling the massage and what he did, you should be able to do all of those things
For sure.
self-massage. You should be able to self-massage your facial muscles, your head, your ears,
The ears.
Right.
all of that, just like you did with him. So easy thing. So what we were just talking about is, of all things, what's going to make your brain more relaxed than head massage, right?
The face.
Yeah, and he was just saying how relaxed he is.
100%.
And so here's another question. How many people out of 100 are aware that they can do self-massage on their own heads and faces?
Not a lot, because I didn't know until now.
Right, right. And so you can also do self-massage on any part in your body and release the tension. And if you practice and get good at it, you can stay away from drugs like OxyContin and going to doctors and blah, 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 blah.
Why would you deal with that?
What's that?
Why would you deal with that when you can just self-massage?
Exactly.
Exactly. People will get like cortisone injections in their bodies, and oh man, it's so ridiculous that people think that conventional medicine is health care. It's not. It's fake care.
That's unnecessary.
Yeah.
Thanks guys so much.
Yeah, thank you.
100%.